Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, a person in ihram can enter a bathroom. Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha did not feel any harm in scratching by the one who is in ihram. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas and Hazrat Miswar bin Mukhrama radiyallahu anhu differed each other on a muhrim's, one in ihram, washing head. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, a muhrim can wash his head, and Hazrat Miswar radiyallahu anhu said, a muhrim cannot wash his head. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu sent me to Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari radiyallahu anhu, and I found him taking a bath between two pieces of wood, and he had screened himself with a piece of cloth. I saluted him, so he said, who is there? I said, I am Abdullah bin Hunayn. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu has sent me to you to ask how Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would wash his head wearing ihram. So Hazrat Abu Ayyub placed his hand on the cloth and lowered it down till his head became visible to me. Then he asked a man to pour water on him. So he ran water on his head. Then removed the head with hands and passed them up to the front and then to the nape and said, I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam doing the same. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1840.